This formula is same, similar to the 2 by 2 matrix. Finding inverse of 3 by 3 matrix, A inverse 1 by determinant A adjoint A. Okay, so here determinant A, you have to find determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. You found this in the last class also. So for finding inverse, why we find determinant? You know that, but still I'm asking you again. Why we find determinant? Tell me why we find determinant?
To check whether it is inversible or not.
Yes, whether it is inversible or not. And when it will be singular, when it will be non-singular, tell me.
Ma'am, when it will be 0, it will be singular, and when it will be not 0, it will be not singular.
Okay. Now adjoint A. Adjoint A for the 3 by 3 matrix. Just remember this line. Transpose of cofactor matrix. Adjoint of A is transpose of cofactor matrix. So for finding inverse, your main task is here finding cofactor matrix. Now what is cofactor matrix? We usually define cofactor matrix by Aij. The cofactor matrix, this is Aij. And what is the formula of finding Aij? Just try to remember this line. Aij equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j Mij. What is the meaning of this equation? It will be clear.
Ma'am,
yes.
Can you say the equation again, ma'am? What is written in there?
It's already written here. Aij is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j Mij. What is the meaning of this line? I'll tell you later. Just try to remember that. What is cofactor matrix? The general structure of finding cofactor matrix is this. And we define cofactor matrix by Aij. And what does it mean by Aij? Aij means this matrix. You are familiar with this term. Aij means A11, A12, A13, A21, 22, 23, 31, 32, 33. When I equal to 1, j equal to 1, that means A11. When I equal to 1, j equal to 2, it will be A12. When I1, j3, it will be A13. Okay? When I2, j1, it will be A21. Similarly, 3 by 3 matrix, there will be total 6 elements here. And it indicates the position. I means row, j means column. Okay. If 1, 1, it means first row, first column. If I is 2, j is 1, that means second row, first column. The position of this element is the second row, first column. That means I represents row and j represents column. So Aij means what? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now your task is you have to find out the value of every element. You have to find out the value of every element using the given formula. Using the given formula, suppose here, look at here, when you will find A11, if you want to write down the formula here, that is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, M11. Okay, maybe in intermediate, you just try to remember this thing. The first element, it will be positive. Second element, it will be negative. Third element, it will be positive. After that, negative, positive. Maybe you remember this in this way.
Yes,
I don't know.
ma'am, I remember this. The diagonal, the positive, if that is a square or any.
Okay. But
Even number that will be
but this is the original formula, that how actually it becomes positive, how it becomes negative. This is the original formula actually. Look at here. If I and j both are 1 1, in that case minus 1 to the power 1 1. That means minus 1 whole square according to the formula. So minus 1 whole square, the value will be positive. The value will be positive. That's why A11 term will be positive.
positive.
Look at here A12. If you write down 1 plus 2, it will be 3. So minus 1 to the power 3, that means minus. So that's why it is minus. Okay, this is a detailed procedure actually.
If the power is odd number, then it is
That it is minus.
that is minus.
If
the
the
odd
power is even number, that is positive. Okay. So it will depend on the power. Okay. Suppose 2 plus 1 odd number, so it will be negative. 3 plus 1 even number, so it will be positive. 3 plus 2 odd number, so it will be negative. Okay. In this way, actually, we have to remember. Now the math. Now I'll show you how to do the math. Suppose this math is given. A is equal to this, find A inverse. So at first you have to determine that the determinant of A, this is singular or non-singular. So I can see here the determinant of A value is 1. So that means non-singular, that means it is inversible. Okay. So after that you have to find the cofactor matrix, because we know that according to the formula how to find adjoint, because our original formula for finding inverse is A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A adjoint A, and adjoint A is related to the cofactor matrix. So you have to find the cofactor matrix here. So you have to find the cofactor matrix here. How to find the cofactor matrix? Look at here. At first I have found the A11 term. A11 term, look at here. This is our original procedure. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, M11. So this minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, it represents only that the value will be positive or negative. Okay, the first portion represents it will be positive or negative. And what is the meaning of M11? What is the meaning of M11? M11 means you have to write down a matrix cancelling first row, first column. M11 means M11 is that matrix if you cancel corresponding first row, first column, then remaining matrix will be what? 1 minus 3, 0, 1. 1 minus 3, 0, 1 after cancelling the first row, first column. Now determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix, 1 into 1 minus 0 into 3, that means 0. So answer is 1. So A11 value is 1. So how can I find A11? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if I want to find A12 similarly, the power will
এটা তো
be
সাধারণ নিয়মে আই যে ভেক্টরে যে আই যে কে করেছে ওই রকমই তো নাকি
which one? This
ম্যাম ভেক্টরে যে আই যে কে করেছিলাম
হ্যাঁ
জি
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ yes
ওরকমই তো
determinant লাস্ট ক্লাসেও তো তোমরা করেছো ডিটারমিন্যান্ট
হ্যাঁ একটা করেছিলাম ম্যাম
হ্যাঁ okay 1 2 A12 means power is 1 and 2 2 plus 1, that means this is the odd number. So here before the matrix it will be minus. Okay, for A12 it will be minus. So after that A12, so you have to cancel what? You have to cancel first row and second column. First row and second column. So what is the remaining matrix? 2 minus 3, 0, 1. 2 minus 3, 0, 1. After that find the determinant. 2 into 1 minus 0. And before that, there is a minus, so it will be minus 2. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
After
we
that,
do,
yes?
ma'am, if we do this math without this equation, is it okay or not, ma'am?
No, don't apply any shortcut procedure.
No,
You can
ma'am.
avoid this equation, but you
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
write this. The
Okay, ma'am.
positive sign, negative sign, positive sign, you have to mention that.
ম্যাম ম্যাট্রিক্স গুলো লিখতে হবে নাকি ওই যে ডান পাশে
ম্যাট্রিক্স গুলো লিখবে ইন ডিটেইলে করবে সবকিছু।
আমরা বলতেছিলাম জাস্ট A11 লিখে জাস্ট 1 লিখে দিলাম, তারপর A12 লিখে জাস্ট
No,
মাইনাস
no,
2 লিখে
no.
দিলাম।
You can write A11 equal to 1 from your other friends also. জিজ্ঞেস করলে A11 এর ভ্যালু কত, সে তোমাকে বলে দিল 1, লিখে দিলে 1. You have to show the procedure.
No using shortcut.
ম্যাম এ ডিটারমিনেন্টের প্রসেসটা একটু
কোন ডিটারমিনেন্ট এটা?
না ম্যাম, হ্যাঁ ম্যাম এটা এই ডিটারমিনেন্ট।
মানে কি 2 by 2 ম্যাট্রিক্স এর ডিটারমিনেন্ট?
নো ম্যাম 3 by 3 ম্যাট্রিক্স।
3 by 3 ম্যাট্রিক্স এর ডিটারমিনেন্ট প্রসেস কতবার করবে তোমরা? তোমরা তো ভেক্টরেও করে।
Same. সব determinant same.
না ম্যাম আমি একটা স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে নিই। ওকে ম্যাম।
Determinant is always same for every math. Is there any problem with this determinant? That is there anything different here? I don't know. Because here middle term is 0. That's why I did not write anything here. And when I have taken -1, this matrix becomes 0. So that's why last term is also 0. So your answer is 1. Okay. Now A13. A13 means the power will be even, so it will be positive. After that, 1, 3, cancelling. First row, third column. So this is our remaining matrix.
And
2,
third
1,
column.
2. So the answer will be 0. So actually, following in this way, you have to find every matrix. A13, A21, A22. After that, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. That means you have to find every element. So actually I am asking you again that how can I find this 2, 1, 2, 2? Is there any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No ma'am.
নো ম্যাম।
Okay. If you don't have any confusion, you have to find up to A33. You have to find up to A33. After that, you have to write down the cofactor matrix. Aij is
এখন করব।
তোমাদেরকে এখনো কিছু করতে বলি নেই, just try to understand this math. I'll give you another math to do. Okay, Aij, that means Aij equal to, you have to put every element in this matrix. Aij means cofactor matrix, so you have to put the value of A11, after that A12, after that A13, 21, 22, 23, 31, 32, 33. In the position of these elements, you have to put all the values, obtained values, what you have found after calculation. Okay, this is our cofactor matrix. Now, what will be the adjoint of A? Adjoint of A, according to the definition, what is the adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is the transpose of cofactor matrix. Okay, transpose of cofactor matrix. That means this is the cofactor matrix, the transpose of cofactor matrix. So you have to transpose this matrix. This will be the adjoint. Is it clear what I have done here?
Yes ma'am. That
Yes,
means
ma'am.
row ke column korte hobe, column ke row korte hobe.
Yes. After that, I have write down the answer. A inverse 1 by determinant A, adjoint A. So this is our answer. So at first you have to find the determinant. After that you have to find the cofactor matrix. After that you have to find the adjoint matrix considering transpose of cofactor matrix. And finally you have to use this formula A inverse 1 by determinant adjoint A. Clear? This is our answer. If you have any question, please ask me. And if not, in that case, please do this math.
Ma'am, did you upload these slides?
Sorry. Okay, I'll upload. Should I upload this slide now?
Ma'am, it will help us.
Yeah, ma'am. It will
Okay,
really
okay.
help us.
Okay, all right. I'm uploading this. Wait. Okay, I have already uploaded the slide. Please check that you have got this or not. And do the last map.
Question.
Yes. B equal to this, find B inverse. And the procedure is given. I have already uploaded the slide.
আচ্ছা, সবার কি adjoint A -9 আসতেছে?
Determinant.
হ্যাঁ, determine -9 আসতেছে. 6 -9.
-7.
Oh my god.
একজনে
-6, -7, -5.
-9 হওয়ার কথা তোমার.
Yes, -9.